Were you sleeping, or the pride in you has grown to the level that Olafujudi, Timothy Hong Kong Latekon, and yet you Oshibeni pe Ogbo, Ìyàwó tó bá ní àlùbáríkà torí ẹ pé. Tọkọ bá Hong Kong, ó yẹ kó ti wá sí living room kó dóde, kó honor. But no, you're so proud and you have nothing. You're useless. Without me, you're nothing. You're just a liability.
What are you even saying?
Oh, I'm saying gibberish. Right?
That's your joy, Timothy. Why? You've been unreachable.
Come closer.
Oh, I did this thing. Atigbe, who is this? Kalele.
Oh, sorry. I need to introduce Arami. Lizzie lorúkọ mi. Mo wá render service ni. Tí n bá dẹ̀ ti ṣetán tí mo ti gbowó mi, màá fi inú ilé yín sílẹ̀.
Kí ni mo gbọ́ tó sọ?
Okay, I think I should be blunt with you.
What is she saying?
Then let me explain. I'm taking her to the master bedroom. You vacate the place. Then I will do what I used to do to you when you were human. Shotibo? I did not stutter. Will you
say you take a harlot, a slut, a prostitute into a matrimonial bed?
When did you become this raw?
Tell me, vacate for you.
Calling someone a harlot? Really?
You brought in a prostitute.
You know what? You're not a barrister. I am wondering where the questioning is coming from. But then, I'm done here.
No, where do you think you're going to? Madam, please, get the hell out of my house!
Now you want to stop me? You